Hi, back to my motors, and now let's see what I've done in the, let's say yesterday. Okay, so I decided to put a remote control. This is the remote control that I have built instead of connecting wires to the button. So what I did is the following. First, the main module is HM-10, which is BLE Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth to UART. Second, we have a Arduino Pro mini board in the transmitter. Four buttons to all directions. And I found an old battery of iPhone 4. Okay, this is a good thing to use. Okay. And the receiver, let's see what I've done in the receiver. The receiver goes like this. Okay, it is connected. This is the receiver here. This is the board that was before wired connected to the TI. What I did is put tiny MOSFETs that will do a connection instead of the buttons, and this is controlled by 4 wires that are connected to the Arduino Nano, and the Arduino Nano is connected also to a BLE that is acting as a receiver. So now let's hook it all together and see if we have something that is working. So I will connect this to 5 volt from my laptop, and this is now the remote control on my hand. So let's connect the remote to power and power up my power supply. And power supply is now on. Now also connect 5 volt to the TI. It's connected from power bank. Okay, let's hope that I have something, because it took some time to build all this shit. Okay, so here are the wires, and we will start with pressing up. Oh, we have something. Let me zoom a little on the motors with the remote control. Again, I'm pressing now down or reverse. This is working. Great. It took me a lot of time. Now the other direction, also speeding up. Great. Now I have right key, turning only one motor, and the left key. Okay, I've got a remote control working. It took me some time to do it. I will also put later in my site the code from the transmitter and the receiver, and will explain how to do it. This is a very reliable module that, if you want to avoid some RF problem that can be in any other module like NRF 24 or other RF modules, I recommend to use this BLE. Okay, great, we are on the way to the final project. Bye.